In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate weekly reviews using templates. If you're tired of manually tracking your tasks, meetings, and other weekly activities, this is the perfect tutorial for you. By the end of this, you'll be well on your way to transforming your process into a streamlined, automated review system that will save you time and effort every week. Let's dive into the world of Notion, your connected workspace for wiki, docs, and projects. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Notion. It's a great tool for anyone looking to efficiently organize their life, whether it be personal or professional. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the homepage. While logging in, make sure that you're accessing the correct workspace associated with your account. This ensures all your data stays in one cohesive space. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard, where you'll manage everything from projects to simple note-taking. Now, let's create a new page, which will serve as the foundation for your automated weekly review. You can do this by clicking on the Create a New Page button. It's typically represented by a plus symbol or labeled clearly. Click it, and a blank page will appear for you to work with. Next, we're going to set up a database to store all the information necessary for your reviews. With your new page open, select the option to create a database. Databases in Notion are invaluable for organizing and retrieving data efficiently. Think of them as a more interactive, multi-dimensional spreadsheet. They allow you to catalog data, sort through it with ease, and link it to various other notes and projects. Once your database is set up, you'll want to customize it by clicking on Add Properties. Properties in Notion are similar to columns in a spreadsheet, but with the added flexibility of different data types such as text, dates, or checkboxes. You can adjust these to fit everything you need to cover in your weekly review, whether that's goals, achievements, challenges, or future tasks. The more tailored this is to your needs, the more effective your weekly review process will become. And there you have it, your own automated system for conducting weekly reviews. As you begin to use this template week by week, you'll find that it not only saves time, but also provides richer insights into your productivity patterns and achievements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on optimizing your workflow. Happy organizing!